Samsung is introducing the new Galaxy S25 series with the addition of the Ultra variant. It will come with the premium specifications and features. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The phone will run on Android 15 operating system. The extra large 50,000 mAh battery to run it for the whole day on just a single charge. The smartphone will be dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x touch screen display and resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels with 6.9 inches display screen size. There will be GPU of Adreno 830. Galaxy S25 Ultra will have quad camera setup on the back. The lone camera on the top is the 200 megapixel. The smartphone will be 12 GB of RAM and storage will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. Galaxy S25 is coming with the extremely fast chipset Snapdragon 8 Elite with an 4.47 GHz octa-core CPU, and that's why there is no need to worry about the performance. And front camera will be 12 megapixel. There will be under display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. That's all for now and thanks for watching.